Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. After a 2% dip during the last session, the Bitcoin-dollar pair closed with a 1.1% drop. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices climbed about 1% on Friday, settling at a 2-week high, as the intensifying war in Ukraine this week boosted the market's geopolitical risk premium. Both crude benchmarks were up about 6% for the week, their highest settlement since November the 7th. The health of the US consumer and the retail sector will be in focus in the coming week, as Black Friday kicked off a holiday shopping season that could shed light on how buyers are grappling with higher prices. The benchmark S&P 500 rose 1.7% in the past week and approached all-time highs. Gold prices breached the $2,700 threshold for the first time in over 2 weeks to end last week, on track for their biggest weekly gain in nearly 2 years, as safe haven demand outweighed dollar strength and lower expectations of a US rate cut next month.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Attention turns to the economic calendar as the upcoming days feature a series of high, medium and low impact data releases. Each event carries the potential to influence market sentiment, guiding traders and investors' decision making. With these events on the horizon, market participants should stay updated and flexible in their approach. The outcomes may shape trading conditions for days to come.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.